Hi, friends. Hope everyone's doing okay today. Today's episode, we're going to finally go ahead and start on our very first diamond painting. I can't tell you how excited I am to go ahead and start on this. We will start slowly, a little bit at the beginning, and we'll do some time lapse. If you are doing this with me, take your time. Don't rush through it. I'm not going to do that either. I'm going to be very curious to see how far I get with this because I've got my goal is to get this strip right here done. We can see where the dotted red line is and everything. And I'd like to get this whole strip done. I'd like to start in on this area up here as well. So we're just going to be real careful to see how far we can get and not rush too much because I don't want to do that, right? I don't want to do too much too fast and then get overwhelmed with what we're doing. We're going to take this nice and slow for our very first one. Now, what I've done is I've already gone through and taken everything out of the kit that I did and grabbed all of the drills that I'm going to need for down here. Which I'm very happy that I did that ahead of time because it was a little bit of a pain. I'm going to be doing a full review of the Make Market kit that I got from Michaels, and let me just say, I'm not a fan. So I will definitely be looking at something new here very, very soon. I've been looking on Amazon. Unfortunately, I missed Prime Day, but it's okay. I don't mind spending a few extra dollars to get something. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? Now, what I did not realize is that this that we got from Diamond Art Club already has some wax in it. So when I go into it, there is already, not sure if you guys can see this or not, there's stuff in there, which is fine. But it's probably gross by now because I left the cap off of it. So I'm just going to kind of squeeze that off. I think this twists to take some out, and then we're just going to pop that off of there. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it's okay. We're figuring this out, yeah. Let me set this off to the side, and then I grabbed this one just to kind of see, like, how is this gonna work compared to this one? Also have to make sure that I'm staying in the right camera angle here. I've got my top-down camera, and I'm also trying to speak into a microphone, and, you know, we're juggling all the things, but it's fine. Now, also have my tray here, which, oops, my bad. Let's get that back in there. Okay. So I've got my tray here, and then I also grabbed a couple of other trays too, just to kind of see, like, you know, which is going to work best. Obviously, this is the one from Diamond Art Club that I think is going to be the best one to use, but we'll see. Let me just set these off to the side. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and start down here. This is perforated, so let's see how easy this is going to be. It's actually tearing off very, very simply. I like that. That was pretty simple. That was pretty simple. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to set it off to the side. Now I've got, is this sticky? Yeah, it's sticky. Okay, cool. So I'm going to open that tray up. I'm going to grab my first one, which is our X symbol here. Got a lot of static in here still. And then I'm just going to pour some in here. I think that'll be enough for now. Okay. And then we'll give it a shake. Like, oops, like we're supposed to. I need to not focus on that too much. Okay, we'll give it a little tap there at the bottom. Okay, let's place our very first one. This is, oh my gosh. I'm a little nervous. Okay, not too hard. Okay, there's our first row. It's a little off though. Okay, we gotta do something about this. Okay, I'm getting to want to be a perfectionist on this. I'm gonna have to try and be careful with that. Let's try and do the multiplacer now, because that's part of what we need to do with this, yeah? Okay, so I think we did pretty well on getting that in there. What did I just do with my... This is why I need to set things down where they belong. Okay, I'll find it later. Let's set that over there. Okay, so to do a multiplacer, I believe this is a 4. So let's go with... Four. Oh, that was pretty simple. Trying to be mindful of my light and everything, and you can kind of see how we're not completely straight, but we're doing okay. Now, I do have this, which will help make these straight, I think. It's not perfect, but not bad for our first little area. Let's go ahead and continue.